Good morning. We are opening up day 2 at Embedded World in Nuremberg, and today I'm in the NXP booth. And as you can see, it's very busy here as we start the second day. I'm here with Steve Wainwright. He is the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for the European regions. Morning, Steve.
Morning. How you doing, Rich?
I'm doing great. So we're only about 8-10 weeks into the merger of Freescale and NXP. What does that mean here in Europe?
Well, it's tremendously exciting and busy time, as you can imagine. This week is really the first mass public airing of NXP. We've got 2 shows on, so obviously Embedded World, which is a real engineering, hands-on sort of show, but at the same time Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. So 2 massive shows, a lot of public exposure for the new NXP. So yeah, very exciting times.
Now my spies tell me you're actually in Barcelona this week.
Yeah, I get the privilege of doing 2 shows in a week, so it's pretty exhausting, but it's interesting to see the common trends. So things that are really hot, V2X is massively hot in Barcelona at the moment, so everybody's talking about cars, which is great for Freescale, of course, so cars, communications, networking, all the things we care about, and of course the big overlay there is security. And then as we come here, we think there are lots of trends. I've seen drones nearly everywhere I've looked. Wearables is a big play, and that's where we've really got something to say about products that we think can really make a difference there.
Speaking of products that make a difference, in the background here we have this truck, your IoT truck. This is a pretty interesting looking vehicle. I don't suppose you drove this in from Barcelona.
I'm afraid I didn't, but yeah, it's great. It's a big investment we've made. We have a truck here in Europe and in the US and China. So the statistics are incredible. We're taking it to 16 countries in Europe throughout the year, 100 stops, and we take it to big OEMs, so our customers, we take it to distributor events, and we take it to universities, so it really does have a great impact. And the idea is we can get our engineering customers to really get inside and understand the technology in an environment which is, good for them to be able to ask questions and really touch and feel the technology.
And with all that going on, you guys have even made some significant product announcements this week.
We have a couple of things that I would pick out. The LS1012A, this is an announcement about the world's smallest and most power efficient A53 core. So this is great for us because that really plays into exciting applications like mobile streaming, mobile data storage. These are really interesting areas, and of course, again, you need to have this sort of network level security, and that's what it really brings to the market. The other thing, talking about wearables as we were, a couple of wearables announcements around Warp 7, which is a reference design for i.MX7, our new processor that we're showcasing at the moment. And also on the connected side, we have a platform there that really helps people get kick-started into wearable designs.
Very good. So if you're here in Nuremberg, I suggest you come by, check out the truck. We're in Hall 4A, booth 220, and if you're not, I'm sure you can find this on the NXP website. Thanks, Steve.
Thank you very much indeed, Rich.